Ndeu, Keke Meta, Ahambi Joma, okay, so my name is Ijoma Kubwe. I bring you Igbo lessons. Today, Ihane Gapa Makayabo, word of the week. Okay, and the word of the week for this week is Nwanne. Okay, Nwanne. Nwanne, you might already know what it means, but if you don't, Nwanne means my sister, it means my brother. Okay, so but however, in Igbo land, it can mean more than that. It can mean anybody in your standard family, really. It can mean your cousin, your uncle, your aunt. So when you hear an Igbo person saying, if you're not really sure if this is the person's brother or sister, you might want to ask them on one neginafo or one neginafo, meaning is it really your sister from the same womb or is it really your brother from the same womb? That's a common question. Don't feel that it's a good question to ask. We ask that a lot because in Igbo land, we all know that for a fact that you might call somebody that's not really your, how do I say it? Your immediate sister or brother, one name. Okay, so that's what I want you to take away from today's talk, that in Igbo culture, one name means brother or sister from the same womb, or cousin, auntie, extended family members, and in fact, every human being, really. Because in Igbo land, we believe that we are all from the same maker, we are all from the same creator, so we essentially all brothers and sisters. Okay, so Igbo one name, you're my sister, you're my brother. Okay. Okay, so the other thing I wanted to remind you today of is the training I'm giving. There's a free training, how to start simple conversations in Igbo, okay? All right, if you're looking to be able to hold even at least 5-minute conversation in Igbo, you're not sure how to start, what to say, you're not sure when people reply you what they even mean, or how to tell somebody to sort of repeat themselves in Igbo, okay, this training is for you, okay? If you're looking to bond more with your family, not feel out of place in Igbo gatherings or when the whole extended family or the one they are there and you want to feel more connected, then you need to come to this free training. The link is below for you to sign up. Oh, Nwana, Godi, one name Godi.